It's like I want to share something with you. You know, last week I entered some trades. They are still running, except one, which is gold, which is in a loss. Also today I entered like Nasdaq. So one thing that is happening, I want to show you here on Nasdaq. You see Nasdaq now is going to reach this zone here. After this zone, Nasdaq is gonna drop hard. So you need to make sure that you mark this. Currently, I'm running with a profit of 2,900, roughly 3,000 rands. So I just want to take you through this trade. I entered them. It's only this one gold. I didn't protect my profit. You know that in Forex market, we don't have like 100% strategy, but we just have like a strategy that it is consistent in making profits. So let me just go here and I say NAS, this is trading view. You can get this app at Play Store. So Nasdaq is shooting up. I entered this trade exactly at 3:30. I'm expecting it to hit that green zone. Let me just go to a daily time frame. So in daily time frame, this is the analysis, and remember all the analysis of these signals that I'm into, I have shared them. So I'm expecting Nasdaq to come on that zone. If it comes on that zone, we are expecting a bearish movement, which like more of the analysis I will send like on how it will be falling. I just draw like this arrow pointing that we are expecting like a downside move when it reach that green zone. Mark this zone. You are gonna thank me later, guys. I'm telling you, just mark that green zone. You gonna thank me later. Thank you.